Ever wondered if you can combine the power of Shopify's user-friendly platform with AliDropship's extensive product catalog? Today, we're diving deep into that question. Can you use AliDropship with Shopify? Let's find out. Understanding the basics. Shopify, a popular e-commerce platform known for its ease of use, customization options, and robust features. AliDropship, a plugin that allows you to import products directly from AliExpress to your online store. The compatibility question. Direct integration. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in integration with AliDropship, you can still use them together. The plugin approach. To bridge the gap, you'll need to install the AliDropship plugin on your Shopify store. Benefits of using AliDropship with Shopify. Expanded product catalog. Access to millions of products from AliExpress, catering to a wide range of niches and interests. Simplified sourcing. No need to manage inventory or shipping logistics. AliDropship handles it all. Seamless integration. The plugin ensures a smooth transition between the two platforms, making it easy to manage your store. Steps to set up AliDropship on Shopify. Install the plugin. From the Shopify App Store, search for and install the AliDropship plugin. Configure settings. Customize the plugin settings to match your store's preferences, such as product categories, shipping options, and more. Import products. Browse AliExpress, select products you want to sell, and import them directly to your Shopify store. Customize product listings. Enhance your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords. Potential challenges and considerations. Shipping times. Be aware of potential longer shipping times, especially for international orders. Product quality. While AliExpress offers a variety of products, quality can vary. It's essential to research suppliers and products carefully. Customer service. If issues arise with orders or products, you may need to coordinate with both AliDropship and the AliExpress seller. Best practices for success. Niche down. Focus on a specific niche to attract a targeted audience and build a strong brand. Curate your product selection. Choose products that align with your brand's image and appeal to your target market. Optimize product listings. Use SEO-friendly keywords, high-quality images, and compelling descriptions to improve product visibility. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and strive to create a positive customer experience. Case study. A successful store using AliDropship and Shopify. Share a real-world example. Highlight a store that has achieved success using AliDropship and Shopify. Discuss their strategies, challenges, and lessons learned. Summarize the main benefits, challenges, and best practices associated with using AliDropship and Shopify together. Encourage viewers to experiment with this combination and explore the possibilities of building a thriving online business. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel for more e-commerce tips and to like the video. Invite viewers to share their experiences or ask questions in the comments section. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.